It's me, Franny, and today I'm here with Lina.
Hi.
So yeah, Lina, you want to just tell us a little bit about yourself?
Sure. So I am a makeup artist. I'm based out of Miami, and I've got a few celebrity clients that are really amazing that I've been working with lately. That's how I met her.
Yeah. So yeah, she did my makeup for my pre-show for my performance in Miami, and she was out here in LA, and we're like, yeah, let's link up, let's film a video. And I came up with this really cool video idea of y'all choosing my makeup. But she's gonna be doing my makeup. Yes. I'm not gonna be doing my own makeup.
I'm taking over, guys.
Yeah,
so.
She's taking over my channel today. I'm not doing the makeup today. But yeah, so I put on my Instagram story a bunch of different options for you guys to choose from. So I'm, giving you guys some time to pick, which foundations, lipsticks, concealers, all that stuff, different lashes. If you guys want to see a glam look, a natural look. So I guess stay tuned to see what y'all pick. So, just so you know, she's gonna do my eyebrows right now because I feel like eyebrows is pretty pointless. Like, we're not gonna film that because they just kind of take a while. But yeah, she's gonna do eyebrows and then we'll start the video. See you guys soon. Bye. All right, so Lina did my eyebrows. I might look a little crazy right now. But yeah, you guys picked everything on my Insta story. And the first thing, she's gonna be doing is eyeshadow, and you guys chose colorful eyeshadow.
You guys chose the Morphe palette.
Yes, the Morphe palette.
And we asked if you wanted to see color or something more neutral.
And you guys also chose glam look.
Okay, so we're going for a glam look with color.
Just for a typical Monday, it's totally fine.
So you guys can see, I don't mean to block your face,
yeah,
but so you guys can see the colors, and I don't know, I'm kind of feeling this blue down here. What are you thinking?
Yeah, that's pretty.
I don't know if I want you to walk around with like bright green all over the place. But yeah, let's do this blue and we can blend it into something smoky and call it a day. First color that I'm going to choose is, I always like to start in the crease with a brown. So we're gonna do this. I actually like this color. I don't know if this is an eyeshadow color, but we're gonna choose this one. It's kind of a cool tone type of brown, and I like to use cool tones in the crease. We're gonna use a blending brush. So close your eyes, and I'm just gonna go right here into the crease.
It's my first time, my first time getting my makeup done on my channel professionally.
Woohoo!
Because I've had people do my makeup on my channel, but it's like for a challenge, so it's like boys doing it, and they make me look ridiculous.
And Franny has great eyes. You actually have a lot of space to work with.
No one's told me that before.
Do. Probably me when I do your makeup. You have a lot of space to work with, so the fact that we're doing color doesn't completely scare me.
Okay.
Because your eyes can take it. So the second color I'm gonna go for, we chose this color, right? This pretty blue right here.
It's like a turquoise.
It's like a turquoise. It's like a, yeah, it's like a turquoise.
Yeah, like
teal, like a teal.
Yeah.
So we're gonna use this teal. So I'm gonna smoke that out into, okay, they want glam. So only color I can see it going into is maybe this, I might have to do black. It might have to be black. I'm gonna mix these two right here. So it's not so black, it's kind of like a dark brown at the end.
Okay.
So I'm gonna grab a smaller blending brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and dip my brush into these two colors.
I just love how casually all day I'm just wearing this makeup, because I'm not gonna take it off, hell no. I'm not taking it off.
You just gotta go in your closet and find something that's going to go with it. We don't need to go overboard with the darker colors either, because they chose the more glam lash, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So sometimes a good lash kind of helps you in the sense that you don't have to go all out with color. Mm-hmm. It'll still have that dramatic effect. So I'm just gonna, I kind of extended this eyeshadow color out. I smoked it out. I like for the eye to look a little bit more elongated, more almond shaped, so that's why I bring it out. And then what I do is look all the way up. I kind of bring it down towards the bottom, and I smoke out the lower lash line. And she might look a little crazy at first, but once we do foundation and concealer, it all kind of blends and makes sense.
No, one thing that really just bothers me, I don't know if it's like a thing or not, I really don't like when people's eyeshadows match their outfits.
Oh my god, agreed. It's like, you don't need to wear the blue top, the blue shoes, and the blue eyeshadow.
Yeah, I don't know.
This is not the 80s. Like, let's
like, honestly, like, if you do like it, I mean, just go for it. But me personally, I could never. I just can't. Oh my gosh.
I kind of like when the eyeshadow, if you're gonna do color especially, I kind of like when it's an accessory. Like, you know, you're wearing maybe all white, and then you have like this pop of blue on your eyes.
Yeah,
or green.
Yeah.
That's pretty.
That's pretty. No, yeah, I don't mind color on my eyes, but when it's just like, when you have everything like one color, including your eyeshadow, it's just like,
totally agree.
Come on.
Okay, so we're gonna go in with this color right here. I kind of want that to be the main lid color. So I'm gonna go ahead with an eyeshadow brush. And I'm just gonna pat it all over. I don't know if you guys can tell, I didn't really go very far in with that dark color. I kind of left it just on the outside because I really want this to be the main color that shows, kind of like the focal point of the eye, this pretty teal that we're using. And the way you get your color payoff, because I always have, you know, those complaints when I'm doing classes and one-on-ones that the color payoff is not the same from when someone does their own makeup to when they get their makeup done. But I mean, if you notice, I'm really packing this on. Like I'm going back and forth with the eyeshadow and I'm applying over and over. And there's gonna be a whole bunch of fallout, which is okay. That's why we do eyes first. Looks pretty good, looks pretty. She looks crazy, but we're gonna clean that up. I'm gonna go in now with this light blue color, this blue shade. It's kind of the same tone, just a little bit lighter. And I'm gonna go ahead and pop this color right in the middle, in the center of the eye, just so I can add a little bit more definition. Because there's a lot to clean up. I do love Morphe, but you know, their eyeshadows are very pigmented, so there's a lot of fallout. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this Neutrogena white, and I'm going to clean up all this fallout. Kind of one of the things that I love to do is I love when the bottom of the eye is smoked out. So I don't clean up all the way up. I kind of just leave some of that eyeshadow right there.
All right guys, so she finished up my eyes, and so we asked if you guys wanted to see the Giorgio Armani foundation on me, or what was the other? Oh,
Makeup Forever.
The Makeup Forever foundation, and you guys chose Giorgio Armani. So she's gonna, you know, work with that.
Let's do it. And I also did liner and, well, your brows are already done, you know that.
Yeah, so she put a little liner on me.
So I like to use a little brush like this. I'm not huge on big foundation brushes. I kind of like to be able to go anywhere with my brush, around the ears, around the nose, around the eyes. So the smaller the brush for me, the better. And I always say that you should go down onto the neck, especially because our necks never really get sun because of our chin.
My neck is always very pale, all the time.
People, yeah.
I always have to bronze my neck. Like I get bronzer and I just like bronze my neck.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, because all our necks are always lighter, and then, you know, in pictures or whatever, our face looks one color and then our necks look a completely different color.
Oh, you have a little foundation in your hair.
This happens all the time. I get foundation in my hair all the time. How I get it on my hair, I have no idea.
For concealer, it was between the NARS, I think, creamy, vibrant, creamy concealer, I think. What is it?
It was between this one, which is
the Radiant
Creamy Concealer, and you guys chose the Shape Tape, which right now is trending. Everyone's using it.
Everyone loves it. Like I think every beauty guru I watch is like, Tarte Shape Tape Concealer is like the best.
Let me tell you something. I struggled with concealer for years. Wow. I could not find the one that I loved, and I love this one. And I'm not one to go based off what everyone else is doing. I'm just, because you never know, you know, if it really works, or are they only just doing it because, you know,
of the hype,
because of the hype. Yeah. So, and when I tried this one, I absolutely love it. It covers, it blends well, and it's affordable. You know, I love it. So I would say I like to do one section at a time. I know most people like to decorate their face, and they like to go, you know, here, all over with the highlight. I kind of have an issue with that just because it will dry. It's concealer. So once it starts to dry, it's harder to blend. So I kind of just do one eye at a time, and then if I need to highlight, you know, the forehead area or the chin, then I'll go back in and do that after. So I did both eyes, a little bit on the chin, I did some on the forehead, so we highlighted. And now we're gonna go ahead and contour, and I'm gonna use Black Opal True Color. It's a cream foundation, but I love to use these sticks. They're really awesome for contouring. You know, Franny was just asking me and telling me that a lot of people don't really know how to contour. And I said, funnily enough, a lot of people don't even know what contour is. You know, you kind of just see it on Instagram or on YouTube and you do it, and you're not understanding why it's done. And the reason why it's done is before we put any foundation or any makeup on our face, the light and shadows will naturally hit our face in certain areas. So once we put foundation over it, all that's gone. And so that's why you look like just one, like a bland,
like what I look like right now.
Right, basically. So highlight and contour, we're adding those shadows back. We're adding those colors back to the face, making you look human again. And I'm just gonna go from the top of the ear, kind of towards the mouth. You really want to blend this part out, just because I don't like, right now you can see it looks like there's a line there and I don't like that. So I'm gonna go ahead with the Beauty Blender to soften that up. Do you like a contour cheek? Not everyone does, do you?
What do you mean?
When your cheeks are like nice and contoured.
Oh yeah, because well, I feel like my face is round, so I really do like contour, because since I have such a round face, like it just makes me look more like chiseled or whatever.
Right.
Yeah.
And contour, I always tell people and my clients and everyone who takes my classes, contour is not a one size fits all. Okay.
Really?
For example, I don't contour my cheekbones ever because my face is so long that it makes my face look even longer, and I don't like that.
Okay.
So don't feel like you have to do all this. You know, you don't have to contour your cheekbones if you don't like it.
Okay, so the next thing, so yeah, she just contoured my face. So the next thing is the highlight.
Is the highlight. We're gonna do the highlight. I like to do contour first, highlight second, and then the blush over.
After.
Yeah.
Okay. So the highlight you guys chose, it was between like a pink tone and a gold tone, and you guys chose the gold tone.
You chose the gold. Yeah, you chose the gold tone, which I would not have wanted to use for this look because I prefer gold tones for bronzy looks, and because of the teal on your eye, I would have chosen more of a champagne color, but we're gonna make it work. And I like to apply it right here, right above that contour.
What highlight are you using?
I'm sorry, this is the Becca highlighter and color Prosecco Pop.
Prosecco Pop.
That makes sense. Okay.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
So now the blush you guys chose was the
Tarte.
The Tarte.
And shade Party.
Yeah.
And this is definitely a party look. So it actually
yeah. So it's a pink tone. It's the pink tone.
This is a pink tone.
Blush.
Again, I wouldn't use something this pink with this look, just because the eyes are so bright and colorful. But what we're gonna do is we're just gonna hit it very softly. So smile, literally just a little bit. That's it. I don't even want to like
go even more.
You don't want it to be this crazy pink cheek and these teal eyes. It's too much.
Yeah.
Smile. Makeup is all about balance, guys. So you guys chose between the two lash pairs. You chose the more dramatic one. So I'm gonna go ahead and open and show you guys how pretty. These are pretty dramatic. This is actually from my line that's coming out in a couple days. So by the time this is out, you'll be able to purchase them.
Yeah, so I'll leave the link down below so you guys can go check them out.
And just so you know, they are 3D mink lashes, and they're completely cruelty-free handmade lashes, okay? So I just want them to know that for all my animal lovers.
And you said they last 30 days,
right? You can wear them up to 30 wears.
30 wears, yeah.
Up to 30 wears. So I've been wearing the ones that I have on right now. This is actually my 6th time wearing them.
Wow.
Okay, so as long as you take care of them, and I'll have a video up to show like how to take care of them, you should be all right.
Cool.
And these are the more dramatic ones, but they actually are really beautiful. Let's see how they look on Franny. Open. Perfect. How do they feel?
They feel good. They're not heavy.
They don't feel too heavy?
No.
Okay, cool.
No, they don't feel heavy. I mean, just because they're thick, like you are gonna see them a little bit. But I'm used to wearing lashes.
Right.
But I can see someone who's not used to them. They're probably gonna be like, what the heck?
They'll be like, oh,
yeah. But I'm just used to wearing lashes like all the time.
Right.
So. Alright, so now we are going to go to lips, and the lip shade that you guys chose, it was between a pink and like a brown nude. They're both nudes, but you guys chose like the more brown nude, and she's like super happy.
I'm happy about that because the pink I think would have been a little much with the eyes. So a brown nude is gorgeous. I think Franny doesn't really like to wear a lot of lip colors as it is. So this is a nice neutral color, and this one is by MAC, and it's called The Right Note. I actually love this one. I'm gonna skip liner for now. Usually I do lip liner, but like I said, because I want it to be more of a glossy, just a simple nude color, I'm gonna skip it and go in with a brush. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just add a little bit of gloss to the center of the lips. Just because the color is pretty nude and I don't want Franny to look washed out. I just like gloss. Are you a gloss person?
Oh, 100%.
I just love gloss.
I usually throw on like a very like nudish lipstick, and then I throw gloss on top.
And call it a day. Yeah.
Because I don't like liquid lipsticks. They drive my lips out so much.
I was gonna say gloss is making a huge comeback right now.
Yeah, I love gloss.
Because
always been a fan.
Always been a fan. Me too. It's exactly what you said. The matte lipsticks were just a little too drying. They're gorgeous.
Oh yeah, they're so pretty.
And I feel like gloss is a little bit more appropriate for summer. And then we're pretty much done.
Whoa, guys.
It looks great. What do you guys think?
You guys literally asked for a glam look, and that's what y'all got. Like,
That's what you
look at
got.
that. Let me see if I can, like, will it focus on my eyes? Oh, it looks so pretty. Like the blue I can, like, see. You guys asked for color.
So we gave you color.
guys-
And actually, I think it looks great. I think it looks really good.
Oh, wow. With the dark hair. It's
The
like,
dark hair, I kind of,
like
yeah.
grungy.
I'm digging
like
it.
edgy kind of look.
I'm digging it. I think you can rock it. I don't think it'll be too much.
Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I really don't, like I said in a video that I actually posted last week, I don't post that many beauty videos anymore, and I do miss them. I like bringing them into my channel once in a while. So I'm so happy that Lina was able to come and, you know, do my makeup, and I just like doing the interactive stuff with you guys, that you guys got to choose how I got to look too, which is super cool. But yeah, so I will leave all of Lina's information and socials down below to her website and her Instagram, so y'all can go check her out. If you're in the LA area and you want to book her for anything, prom, weddings, or whatever, or oh, not in the LA area, Miami area.
Hey, but if you fly me out to LA, I'll come out.
Yeah, so if you're in the Miami area, you know, if you want to book her for anything, hit her up. She's super awesome. Please give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below on what you thought of the look. Please put those push notifications on so when I upload, y'all know exactly when I do. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
I love it.